So I'm here at the Creality booth at Rapid TCT, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to see anything new here. I just saw them at CES, and I was pretty sure I was just going to see the K2, the K2 Plus, some of the laser engravers. They definitely have a few things here and there, but what really stood out at this show was their consumer grade filament maker. That's right. Now you can create your own filament, and it's not this exorbitant price. It's available right now to order through Indiegogo, or at least to back it. And it comes with a recycling machine that will grind up the filament, as well as the thing that will actually put it onto a new spool. You can either create your own filament from virgin pellets, or you could go ahead and take waste that you had laying around your classroom or projects or whatever it is, mash them up, chew them up, and turn them into new spools of filament. Anyway, it's such a cool machine. Let's take a look and check it out. All right, did you ever want to make your own filament? Or maybe you're running a STEM lab in your school and you have a ton of extra filament that is really just going to go to waste. Well, Creality came in to give you a consumer product to basically recycle your filament. And it's actually a pretty easy, brilliant process. The entire thing goes for about $16.99, and it's available on Indiegogo right now. This is the Creality Filament Maker M1. This will actually go ahead and make the filament, but this is the first step. You're gonna take your filament and you're gonna put it into the grinder. You're first gonna go ahead and set what type of filament it is, and then you're going to let it go down. You're going to dry it. You're then going to take it out of this bin. Basically, you have some safety features on this that if this is open, this is not going to start. Right. Okay. That's pretty cool.
All four of them have to be.
They have to make contact on all four pieces sensors in order to allow them to start the process of grinding the filament. And you're going to dump it right into here. Once you dump it, you want to mix it with a couple of extra things. We have over here different dyes. Let's say you want to go ahead and make some black PLA or blue or yellow or red, etc. Well, you're going to go for every 100 grams of filament that you want to make, you're going to go ahead and put 6 grams of the dye. But it is also recommended that you should do a 50-50 blend of virgin filament over here to give it that extra strength. Otherwise, you're gonna just have pure recycled filament. And if you wanna kind of make it like a little bit better and restore it and give it that strength and reliability, it's better to go ahead and put in some virgin pellets into there. And that is pretty cool in my opinion. So check it out. This is definitely really exciting, and I can totally imagine makers and educators needing to recycle filament. This is just brilliant. Now, the other really cool thing about the Maker M1, forget just recycling it. If a lot of people will tell you that it's more economical and in some cases better to really use your own pellets to make filament. Well, you don't have to recycle. You could just buy virgin pellets, dump it in, and make your own filament. So it's really gonna give you, like, you can really start your own filament factory here. We have a bunch of other things here. We have the Creality Sermon P1. This is your, basically a self-contained 3D scanner, all in one. You don't need another computer to load it into. You just basically can start scanning it right off the bat. And now you also have here the Creality Falcon A1C. Anyway, thank you for watching and happy printing.